Namaskaram friends. So in this video, I am going to talk about a very important concept called Internet of Things. So what basically Internet of Things mean? As the name suggests, Internet of Things mean things are connected, interconnected with each other with the help of the internet. Okay? And these objects are anything. These are either computer devices, these are either mechanical or digital machine, these are any simple object, or these are people which have provided some unique identifiers. So what this basically mean? This basically mean that a computing devices like you can say computer, laptop, your mobile, your tab, mechanical objects like motors, digital machine like your printers, objects like anything like your fridge, your AC, and people that are provided with unique identifier. Let's say 10 to 12 people who have you can say a unique tag given to him, and also some chip or some sensors embedded in their body, so you can identify with that. Okay, so IoT is basically a system of interrelated. Pay attention on this one. System of interrelated computing devices like your computer, your mobile, okay, your tab, your laptop, mechanical machine like your motor, okay, digital machine like your printer, objects like anything, your fridge, your AC, okay, your geyser, people that are provided with unique identifiers. Like say 10 to 12 people, important people who we send them on a mission of spy. So we embedded some chip into their body, so we identify them. So these everything is interrelated with each other. Let's say computer. For example, let's say I make a story here. I send a spy in other country for spying on official. Okay, so I embedded a chip in it. Okay, and this chip is interconnected with their laptop. Okay, with a motor machine, you can say engine of their car. Okay, printer which he attach in their laptop. Okay, objects like let's say it's AC, and he is a spying person. Okay, so let's say he go on a mission and he is stuck somewhere and his life is in threat, so he tried to use his computer. Let's say he trapped in a desert and want to escape from it, so using their chip machine, since this chip machine is interconnected with their computer devices, their engines of their car, okay, like printer and other object like AC, so he automatically, by using this her chip or his or her chip, he uses information from the computer, okay, and then try to use a printer and print it, okay, and see it what and try to send a person to take this printout from his machine, and he on their let's say his car is parking on somewhere, so he tell that person, another person, take his car, he on you can say open the window of their car, and then he sent that person to go on his room and take I he actually done a printout of that machine, so take that printout, okay. And some important things are he, like I say, hide in their fridge, so it said that take that object from fridge also, and then send this all this object to a person, so that that person uh, release that guy who are stuck in a desert. Okay, so this is a, you can say, with the help of their interconnected machine, this man can save his own life. Okay, this is a simple story. So that's how these things are very important. Interconnection is very important. For example, you can see in this picture a home, okay, your car, your Bluetooth, your mobile, okay, your router, your laptop, okay, your desktop, your bulb, okay, your camera, everything is interconnected with each other. Your storage cloud thing, everything is connected with each other. Let's say you done breakfast on your home and close your home and go on a car for your office. Then in a midway you realize that you do not switch off your AC. So automatically, if your AC is on the field, on the system of IoT, that means that your AC is connected with your phone is connected with your you can say car, everything, then you automatically by switching a button open your mobile and switch off the button of the AC and it automatically off. You do not have to go home, open the door and switch off the AC. If your AC is connected with your mobile phone, then by opening an app on your mobile, and if you press a button of stop, your AC automatically stop. Okay, let you also realize that you also do not you can say shut down your Bluetooth on which you singing a song, listening a song in the morning. Then by using your mobile, you can also stop your Bluetooth device. You can also off your bulb. You can also off your camera. Okay, by using your mobile. If you at that time you have your mobile. If not, then also using computer in your car, you can do all this activity. Okay, that means many things you can done using the Internet of Things. Okay, this is the benefit of it. That means in this manner we can save electricity. Okay, because all these things, if you do not have time, you do not go back home and you can say switch off your bulb, switch off your Bluetooth, switch off your AC, switch off your geyser, switch off your camera, then all for the whole day this using electricity, which is wasteful. So in this way you can save electricity and environment is safe, eco-friendly environment. You can help environment for you can say playing a big role in your life. So you save environment. Okay, so this is a very beneficial. That means using this technology of IoT, we can save our environment. Okay, and also it's very quick, also people friendly. That means you do not have to do all these things using your mobile only. You can switch off everything. Do not have personally go to switch off this, switch off this, switch off this, switch off this. No, using an app on a mobile, and by stopping each and everything automatically from any one place, you can do this. You do not have to go on each and every device individually and switch it off. So this is the important of IoT. That means you can save electricity, you can save environment, and you can also save your time. So the second point is, it can be also said that an inter-networking of physical devices. Yes, inter-networking of physical devices, anything, your AC, your fridge, okay, your computer, and vehicles, your car, your bus, your train, or your, you can say, bike, your helicopter, everything, every vehicle, buildings in which you live, and everything is not standalone. These items embedded with either electronics, either software, either sensor, and network connectivity. Either these things are, let's say your, I'm sorry, I think I have to make a space between each and every. So this inter-networking of physical devices, like internet of your physical devices, your vehicles, your buildings, and other items, and all these are embedded with, in all these, like in your building, and some sensor is embedded. Okay, in your vehicle, some software is embedded. In your physical devices, some electronics and some software is embedded. That's why you can connect now. A simple stand-alone building not connect with your mobile. No, you have to put a sensor in that machine and connect with your mobile, and your mobile also connect with other objects which you put either sensor or electronics or some network connectivity. Okay, so these are important for connection. These are important is that in each and every physical device you must in each and every physical device you must put either a sensor or any electronics items or any software through which you can connect it, and or you any network connectivity, or you can say the internet. Okay, that's why whatever object you choose, either you choose a human being, either you choose any physical object, like on a daily basis of use, like your AC, your fridge, your camera, your bike, your car, okay, your building, everything, and connect each and everything with each other, so that automatically by sitting on one place you can control each and everything. So basically it is a controlling power. That means how you can control things which you want by for the manner of saving time and for the manner of saving money. Because when you save electricity, you save money. You do not have to pay bill of electricity of each and every device which you do not use. If you use it, you pay it, it's okay. But if you do not use it, you pay it, or you also lost, you can say, you also save your money and you also save the environment in terms of switching of your other objects or other material which you use on daily basis. Third one is the internetworking has internetworking. That means things which are connected on internet have ability to transfer data. Through internetworking have the ability to transfer data over a network. Internetworking transfer data over network without requiring human to human and human to computer interaction. That means internetworking has the ability that it can transfer data over a network without the interference of either human to human or human to computer. Okay, so this is the advantage of internetworking. So this is the advantage of internetworking. And IoT is dubbed as the infrastructure of information society. For example, like if you want to drive a car, so you need a good road, a good highway. So all these things are infrastructure for your transport. But for information society, which want to create a revolution in the society in the form of information society, so this IoT play as an infrastructure for this group. Okay, and IoT also allow object to sense and control remotely. Through remote, you can control all these objects across existing network of infrastructure. Okay, that means if you have a good infrastructure in the field of IoT, then through remote you can control object and also sense that. With remote you can also sense that what is on, what is off, and also you can control. Like an app, you open an app in your mobile, and through that app you can clearly see which object is, let's say 10 objects are connected, so every 10 objects have some information on your mobile, and everything is also written down here, which is off, which is on. So let's say if you close your door and you want that your light is on the full day, but your AC is off, your fridge is off, your geyser is off. So you tick let's say on button for your light and click on off button on all the everything. So it is in your control. That means you can sense that it is on or off, and remotely you can control that. That means you want that it should be on or off for the whole day or for the certain period of time. So you do not have to stay on the home to look after this. No, you travel wherever you want, and through control and through internet of things, using internet of things, you can control each and everything. Okay, and also a good important thing is IoT can run on public network. But earlier, for communicate when computers want to communicate securely, they use VPN, and it is work only on private networks, not on public network. So advantage of IoT is it can use private as well as public, but VPN can also can only use public networks. Okay, so all these things are 6 points, or you can say 6 main bullet points. So if you understand all these 6 bullet points, you can solve a good question related to IoT. Okay, for example, if a question comes that VPN IoT, what is the advantage of IoT? So you can clearly say that advantage of IoT, it work on private network. Okay, when anyone say that is a standalone object connected with the internet, connected with the infrastructure of your system of IoT? No, it must be either embedded with electronics or software or sensor or any connected with any network. You cannot connect any standalone object in your system of IoT. Okay, and also third point is IoT is act like an infrastructure for the information society. Okay, if information society want to create a boom in the world, then IoT plays an infrastructure for them. Okay, and also interconnectivity, a very good keyword we generally use in IoT. Interconnectivity is the ability to transfer data over a network. On a network, interconnectivity transfer data without the influence of either human to human or human to machine. Okay, and you can also understand what the mean of the computing device, mechanical device, digital device, and people that are provided with unique identifier. People that are provided unique identifier, that means you embed some type of sensor in their body, and through which you can control that man also. That means where this machine, where that person go, what they do, through sensor you can sense that, and also take control of that man. For example, like Bluetooth. Okay, you connect your Bluetooth device with IoT, and you can control any person wherever you send that person to go and done their job. Even if they speak lie, you clearly understand that that person speak a lie to you and do not done your work properly. So in this manner, it is also best for, you can say, leaders who want that their people who are under them done a good job without telling lie, or and you can also on every moment you can take eye on each and every person through whom you want to done your job. Okay, so Internet of Things is a, you can say, boom in the science and technology arena, particularly in the information technology arena, because it, with the help of this, you can save environment, and also you can tackle the problem of climate change, and also you save money as well as time. So money, time, and environment, you can, with using this technology, you can save both. Not both, you can save money, you can save time, and you can save environment. So these are the core problem in our society. Okay, so with the help of this we solve this problem, because time is limited. Okay, environment is very much damaged nowadays, and money is not distributed properly, or it is not distributed in a good manner in the whole world. So we have to work on these three problems, and this technology help to solve the problem of money, time, and environment. So for this thing also, this is a very good concept. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept of Internet of Things, and understand use, you can say, remember two or three keyword, like in IoT, use public as well as private network. Okay, it allow object to sense and control remotely, okay, using existing infrastructure, and it act as an infrastructure for the information society. Ability to transfer data without human to human or human to computer interference. Okay, and physical devices must be embedded with either electronic, software, sensor, and network connectivity. And this IoT is a system of interrelated what computer devices, machines, digital machines, objects, and people which are provided with unique identifier. Okay, so with this 6 bullet point, I give you one question. Try to solve that question. Okay. So question is this. I'm sorry. Question is this. Consider the following statement regarding the Internet of Things. So what we have heard on earlier slides, with the help of that, we are going to solve this problem. So consider the following statement regarding the IoT. So here you have given 3 statements regarding IoT. So you have to gonna solve which one is correct, which one is not, and on the basis of that, you have to choose option, either option A, either option B, or C, or D. Okay. So the first option is, it is an internetworking of, just a minute. It is said that it is an IoT is an internetworking, that means connected with network of physical devices, vehicles, building embedded with electronics. See, understand the keyword embedded, not only stop here, embedded with electronics, software, sensor, and network connectivity. So this statement is corrected. You can say true, because if physical devices, vehicles, building are embedded with this and in the form of internetworking and connected with internet of, this system is called, this is the definition of IoT. This system is called Internet of Things, because this system in which electronic, software, sensor, and network are embedded, and each and every object, vehicle, building are connected with the help of internet. So this is a definition of IoT. Okay, so this statement is true. Second one is, it has the ability to transfer data. Okay, it has the ability to transfer data over a network. Okay, that means IoT has the ability to transfer data over network without require human to human or human to computer interaction. Yeah, this is the, you can say, the ability of interconnectivity is that it can transfer data without requiring human to human or either human to computer interference. Okay, third one is, it works only on a virtual private network. Okay, so this one is wrong, because I told you in the previous lecture that when earlier computers want to communicate securely, they use VPN. That means virtual private network. But IoT uses public network also. So IoT uses public as well as private. So this statement is wrong. So statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true. So option B is correct. Okay. So with this small video, I try to tell you some definition of IoT, its uses, and where we apply the knowledge of IoT in our day-to-day life, okay, in our thinking process. And with the help of this, I also give you a question and we solve it with the help of some basic knowledge of IoT. So I stop this lecture here. This is a very small lecture, and I hope you enjoy this lecture. So namaskaram. Thank you.